twins?
This cookie will blow your mind.
Blow our mind? That must be one special cookie, Tim.
This cookie doesn't have one flavor. It doesn't have two flavors. It has 3 flavors.
It tastes sweet.
Oh, it also tastes salty.
Ow, it tastes better.
I'll get it. Paula speaking.
Hi, Paula. It's Mr. Banana Tree here. I need help with Mr. Totemhead. He's being all quiet and looking tired. He's not his usual self. Needs special tropical juice. Too tired to move. Need bananas. Yes, Monkey. You know the recipe. Oh, no. I'm all out of bananas. That's surely not enough.
No worries, Mr. Banana Tree. We'll be coming right over to help.
That's right, Monkey. Not enough bananas to make my juice. He's been acting like this since this morning. He keeps saying he needs more bananas for a tropical juice I tried to make, but he doesn't like it. Only Monkey seems to know the recipe of this special juice.
We'll help you make the special juice, Mr. Banana Tree. Now we just need Monkey to help us with the recipe.
Wait, Monkey, come back! So these are all the bananas we have. There's none left on me.
Oh dear, that's not much. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 bananas.
There's only one place on the island where bananas always grow, right here by the river.
This means we all have a job to do. Tim, Calc, you take the map and get more bananas.
Got it. Calc and I are on it.
Billy, you go and find Monkey.
Okay, Paula.
Chucky, can you make sure nothing bad happens to Mr. Totemhead? Then we will try to figure out the tropical juice recipe.
Monkey, where are you? I wonder where Monkey could be.
This is all we have. A cup, a spoon for stirring, a mixing bowl, lots of coconuts, 3 bananas, and some cinnamon.
Cinnamon? Ooh, bitter.
Yes, the coconuts and bananas taste sweet and salty. Adding some cinnamon will make the perfect mix, according to Mr. Totemhead.
How about the recipe?
Here it is.
A drop of coconut water, bananas, and this must be the cinnamon powder. And all have the number 3 next to them.
That's great! We have exactly 3 bananas. I think we can do this, Paula. First, put 3 drops of coconut water into the mixing bowl. Then, add 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3.
Now, add 3 cinnamon powder. How do we add the cinnamon powder?
How about adding 3 cups of it?
Sure, let's try it. Here goes. 1, 2, 3. 3 bowls of cinnamon powder. I can't stir it. There's too much cinnamon powder.
Maybe this doesn't mean 3 drops of coconut water. Maybe it means water from 3 coconuts.
Of course. That makes much more sense. 3 coconuts coming right up. Great. I can stir it now. But it doesn't look very nice, though.
It has to be right because we're out of bananas.
The bananas should be somewhere around here, Calc. Oh, what's that? A treasure chest? Wow, it's so shiny. Calc? Oh, you found the bananas. Good job, Calc. That's nice. These bananas grow in groups. That makes it much easier to pick them.
I need to refresh myself. Paula, is that my tropical juice?
Yeah. Here you go, Mr. Totemhead.
Yippee!
Are you okay, Mr. Totemhead?
Too bitter! Save me! Oh no, we really need Monkey's help.
Where are you, Monkey? Oh, this is taking too long, and I'm getting thirsty. I should have found him by now.
I want to dream a good dream. Where's my juice?
What happened to Mr. Totemhead?
Oh, he's just very tired. Did you find bananas?
Yes, we did. We found a lot of them.
That's great. Now we can try to make another tropical juice before Mr. Totemhead gets worse. Where is my refreshing tropical juice?
Let's try this again. 3 coconuts water.
Check.
3 bananas.
We got it, Paula.
Mr. Totemhead said the first drink was too bitter. So I guess we need something smaller than a cup.
How about that spoon?
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. 1, 2, 3. 3 spoons of cinnamon powder. It still doesn't look very nice.
Should someone try it? I don't think it's safe to let Mr. Totemhead try it first.
Yeah, such a refreshing juice. My favorite juice to get me energized. Where is it? Where is it?
I didn't find Monkey. The others are gonna be so disappointed. Oh dear, and Mr. Totemhead still hasn't turned back to normal. Guys, I didn't find...
Billy, you found Monkey.
Huh? Yeah. Oh, is that the tropical juice?
Oh,
Ugh, this is too bitter, and I can't even taste the bananas.
So we still didn't get the recipe right?
Oh, that looks like more bananas.
Then let's try it one more time. Okay, so we need 3 bananas.
oh, 3 hands of bananas.
3 hands of bananas? I didn't know bananas have hands.
Yes, you see this group of bananas? It's called a hand of bananas. So we need 3 of these. 1, 2, 3.
That should be enough for a nice banana flavor.
Next is 3 coconuts water. But what about the cinnamon? Monkey didn't say anything about it.
Oh, I know that one. A pinch of cinnamon powder. Just grab some with the fingers. 1, 2, and 3. This looks perfect. Hopefully this will make Mr. Totemhead better again. I cannot move without my tropical juice.
Mr. Totemhead, we got you your tropical juice. You want to give it a try?
Tropical juice! Quickly, before I can barely get up! That's tasty! Sweet, salty, and a pinch of cinnamon.
Actually, 3 pinches of cinnamon.
Woohoo! Thank you, Mr. Banana Tree, and thank you, kids, for making my favorite tropical juice. Come on, Monkey, let's go pick up more bananas.
Yep, Mr. Totemhead is back to normal. Click subscribe and hit the bell icon.